to boost internet speed on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, just head over to your search bar and simply search in for view network connection. Open this. It will open up the Wi-Fi settings. So now simply select your Wi-Fi and just right click on it and click on its properties. And from over here, basically click on this internet protocol version and just head over to its properties, or you can simply double click on it and click on this use the following DNS server instead of your automatically provided server DNS. So now just type in at the preferred DNS section 8.8.8.8 and under the alternate DNS section 8.8.4.4. So what it does is it will basically be faster than the automatically provided DNS from your server, and just click on OK. And once you do all of that, once again right click on your properties of your Wi-Fi network, and now this time select this configure button over here. Now select this advanced section, and once inside here, just make sure you have both 2G as well as 5G band to set to auto mode. So in this case it's not showing me, so in this preferred band section you just have to prefer it to 5G band if your network supports it, and under this roaming aggressiveness button over here, just set it to lowest and click on OK. And once you do all of that, you might as well restart your PC. And if it's still not working after doing that, then simply just head over to your network reset option over here, just like this, by simply searching for network reset and just click on open. Just reset your network, and you might have to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and it will work correctly after that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.